Hello my friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to be sharing with you the final product of what I made for this hashtag Christmas Shaker Shadow Box collab that was hosted by Cara Mia's Corner, Cara. And yeah, so she sent us this shadow box for us to use, and it's a 8¼ by 11½. And I don't know how thick it is exactly because when I tried to measure it, my ruler actually couldn't go that far. I mean that you know it started like, anyway, it was hard to measure. So but it was like I'm honestly thinking it's less than a half an inch or a half an inch space to put things in. So at first I was kind of stressed out about that because I was thinking, that's, I don't know what to put there because it's got to be thin enough so that when I close it, it'll close all the way. So, and I don't know if I'm stitching how I made this video to this part of the video, or if this is a second video. So, but I do show you how I actually had something else in mind to put in there, and it actually fit perfectly except for the thickness of it because it is very thin. But anyway, I absolutely love the way it turned out. I am so excited that Cara asked me to participate in this collab, and it was very fun. And she was very kind and generous to mail each and every one of us one of these beautiful shadow boxes. Another thing that I really enjoyed about this shadow box is that it was thin enough to where I can poke some holes, even though it was very challenging. And again, I made a video on this, which may be, like I said, attached here, or a separate video. If it is a separate video, I will link it below. But anyway, yeah, I mean, I was able to make the holes to be able to put some lights on this baby. So I think that looks really cute. And so this is what it looks like when it's turned on. And it is a shaker, so it's got some little shaker mix in there with just all kinds of fun things. And I'm going to turn off the lights at the moment because it gives it kind of a shadow. I don't know how to explain, or like a glare maybe. So it's a little hard to show, because of that, I think. But I'm trying to show it in a way where hopefully you won't see such a big glare. So anyway, yeah, it was obviously part of the name is that it is a shaker. So I put this shaker mix that has little Santa Clauses in red and little presents in gold and little snowflakes in white and some like baby blue, and I thought that came out really pretty because it brought out that picture behind Santa, and of course making the holes through this deal here, this little image that I altered. It was so fun to put those lights in like that, and in real life, I say real life, in person, it actually, I think, looks nicer. So I really hope that Kelly Santi Designs, I hope she will love it because she's my swap partner. So I will be sending this to her. And yeah, so now the shadow box opens on this side, and I've put some clear tape just lightly on there because if she opens this, it's gonna, all the shaker's gonna go out, it's gonna fall out. So definitely don't want to open that unless you just really need to for some reason, but just be aware that the confetti's or the sequin mix or what have you is gonna be falling out probably. So yeah, we don't necessarily want to do that without planning for it. Here's a little piece right there. Yeah, it was I had never made a shadow box that I could remember. I'm trying to think about when I've done that in the past, and I might have made one before, but I can't remember. So this was actually my first shadow box, and yeah, I had a blast with it. Cara, one of the things she asked us is to put something on the exterior of the shadow box to decorate it. And I found this ornament that says Believe from the Dollar Tree, and I thought that came out so cool. So be sure and let me know in the comments below if you think that was a good idea. I hot glued it on the corners here. And yeah, so this image was actually just a magazine image that I cut out and I backed it up, you know, with cardboard, and then, or not cardboard, but like cereal box board, kind of a chipboard type, not quite as thick. And then I put the foam underneath so that the little shaker bits don't go in the inside. But I, like I said, you've already seen that if I've put that in the video here earlier, or I will link the video where I show you how I make it. I'm kind of hesitant to call it a tutorial because it's really just showing you how I'm struggling to make it. So it's not so much, I don't know if it's a tutorial, but anyway, I think I called it that just because it's easier to find when you're looking to see somebody actually put it together. So anyway, I thought that would be helpful maybe. And so yeah, the ladies that are going to be part of it are A Day in My World, Wanda, BB's Closet Creations, Kelly, Santi Designs, my swap partner, Caramia's Corner, of course, our lovely host, and Rebecca Creates, and me, of course. So I will be linking all these wonderful ladies in the information box below. Be sure and check them out. Give me a thumbs up on this video, and don't forget to press the subscribe button if you would like to be a subscriber. Love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.